In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a user and set roles in Zoho Books. Let's dive right in to make this process clear and straightforward. First, you'll need to sign in to Zoho Books. Open your browser and navigate to the Zoho Books website. Once you're there, look for the sign in button. It's typically located at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on it and you'll be presented with various sign-in options. If you prefer using a single sign-on method, you might want to click on Google to sign in via your Google account. Choose the account you want to use, and you'll be directed to your Zoho Books dashboard. Next, we're going to access the Users and Roles tab. From your dashboard, find the settings icon. It's usually shaped like a gear. Click on it to access a menu filled with various settings options. From this menu, scroll down until you spot the Users and Roles tab. Click on it, which will take you to the section where you can manage users and their respective roles. Now, within the Users and Roles section, find the Users option. Click on Users and you'll be directed to the page where you can view, invite and manage existing users. This is where you gain control over who can access your Zoho Books account and what they can do once they're in. We're ready to invite a new user. Look for the Invite User button, which should be prominently displayed. Click on it and a form will appear prompting you to fill out some details. Start by typing in the new user's name. Ensure you enter it accurately, as this is how their account will be identified within your system. After entering the name, the next field is for the email address. This is crucial because Zoho will use this email to send the invitation. Double check to make sure the email address is correct before moving on. After the email, it's time to choose the role for your new user. Roles define what a user can or cannot do in Zoho Books. Select a role that matches the responsibilities you want to assign them. For instance, if they just need to view invoices, a basic role would suffice. For more complex tasks, you might assign a manager or admin role. Finally, once you've reviewed all the details and are satisfied with the information you've inputted, click the Send button. This action dispatches an invitation to the new user's email address. They'll receive instructions on how to accept the invitation and access your Zoho Books account based on the role you assigned. And there you have it, you've successfully invited a new user and assigned a role in Zoho Books. Remember, managing roles and access is vital in ensuring that your business data remains secure and well organized. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video was helpful. For more tips and tutorials, stay tuned to our channel.